Hey, what's up, SMT Nation? It's your boy, the SMT. We're doing it. Google Pixel 6 Pro just came in. Hashtag gift from Google. Hashtag Team Pixel. We got the 6 Pro in the building, and I'm going to unbox it. But I need help. I need reinforcements. I need the cute one. She's going to do it with me. Thanks for tuning in. All that starts now. Yasmin, are you ready for this? We're recording. We're live.
Not right now.
I just started recording. Let's unbox this thing.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got sent. This, Yasmin, is a new Google phone. You think it's going to be nice? Let's see. Make a noise.
Beep, beep.
Make another one. And another one.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Can I open it?
What does it say? What letter is that, Yasmin?
G.
It's a G. You know what G stands for?
Game.
Game, good. But it's Google. Okay? See the logo? Whoa, let's get this box out of here. Flip it. Set it down. What do we have? Another, this feels good, Yasmin. How does that feel?
So good.
All right, Yasmin. Well, we're going to, let's open it normal. Or you want to open it like a maniac? For all you are. Yasmin, move your hands so they can read. For all you are. Okay. All right, Yasmin, open it. Whoa!
Pops up.
Whoa, it's a pop-up. It says Google Pixel 6 Pro. Let's look at these pop-ups here. Tuesday, 19th. That was when it launched. 72 degrees and sunny. Look at you got the soccer ball. You play soccer. All right, okay. This is really nice. And then Google Pixel 6 for all you are. And it tells us all about the Pixel.
If
right,
it comes
Google.
with a sticker, can I have a sticker?
Yasmin, let's tell them what comes in the box.
A phone.
We got the phone.
Google.
And then what is this? You know what this is?
Case.
That's the case. Good. Nice
That's
job,
what I
Yasmin.
thought now.
All right, this is the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Yeah, Google Pixel 6 Pro. All right. And what color do we have, Yasmin?
Pink.
All right. Okay, let's get it open.
Okay.
All right, there it is. Show them, Yasmin. Just set it right there. Can they see it? Right there. Very nice. We got the, what is it, gray, Yasmin?
Yes.
Yep, we got the gray. All right, Yasmin.
Pull it out.
Don't drop it and break it, please. You gotta show them the features. Show them the cameras.
Okay.
Count how many cameras it has.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that 4 cameras? I think it's 3. 1, 2, 3. That's a flash and that's some other kind of sensor. Show them what's in the box. All right. So we got right here. You see. That's a SIM card remover tool, probably. All right. What's this?
A charger.
That's a charging cable.
Cable.
And that's a USB-C adapter. Tell them it's an adapter.
It's an adapter.
Yeah. Now what's missing? There's no charging brick, Yasmin. Yeah. They took out the charging brick. Show them your face. Show them how upset you are about that. You are. Yeah. Where is the charging brick? Yeah.
What is the charging
Put your hands to
brick?
the side for the thumbnail. Yeah. Where's the charging brick?
And where's the sticker?
I know. We need stickers. Well, nothing in here. Okay. So this is. Put this to the side.
I need stickers. I need a sticker.
You want a sticker?
Yeah.
Do we have stickers? What is this, Yasmin? That's
want
the
a
that's the SIM
sticker.
tool. I don't know if they got stickers on this. I guess we don't have. We'll keep looking in the box, maybe. Put this to the side. Okay, so we got that thing. Let's check out the case. Okay. Right here, Yasmin. Okay. All right, so we got the Pixel 6 Pro case, and it looks like they sent us some kind of green case. What do you think, Yasmin?
It's a greenish blue.
Yeah. You like
A
it?
teal color. Maybe?
Teal? I don't know if it's teal.
Maybe a
but
tealish white.
do you like it though?
Yes.
Do you like the color?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see if Yasmin likes the case.
Ta-da!
I think you're right. That's teal. Show the people. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it is teal.
I told you.
What is this, kind of rubbery?
Yes.
Like a plasticky rubbery?
Yes.
You want to take that out?
Cool.
How does it feel? Slippery, or has it got enough grip?
Enough and slip.
You think it's slippery, or you think it has enough grip?
Grip and slip.
Grip and slip. That's weird. Hashtag Team Pixel, baby. There we go.
Can I put the case on now?
Okay, do you think there's anything under there? I don't think so.
No.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think we're good.
Can I
And
do
let's
it?
let's take the plastic off. There we go. That's the phone. And Yasmin is a smart girl, and she wants to put this thing in the case right away. All right?
Yes.
Make sure it's in all the way. Okay. How does the... Yeah! You know what it looks like, Yasmin? You remember my old Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like. That's what it reminds me of. All right, so the case...
I'm showing them the back.
I know, but I wanted to mention that the case has a nice lip on the outside. And that's going to protect it when you drop it. Right? And then I can feel it's bumping the case. It's not bumping the screen. The case, right? Not the screen?
Mm-hmm. Because if it bumps the screen, it'll be like a crack.
Oh, we don't want it cracked. Right, Yasmin?
Yes.
You want to hold this button and see if it'll turn on?
Okay. Woo! Peace.
Peace. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you for taking this opportunity to watch the SMT YouTube channel. If you appreciated this video, give it a like and a share to all your favorite social media platforms. Thank you in advance for that. Also, check out some of the links in the description box. We have the SMT Patreon page. We also have the Twitter handle @SneedTech. And do check out the audio-only podcast available on all the major podcast platforms. And if you are new, have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and activate the bell notification icon so you never miss an upload from the SMT. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.